Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Source. So finally 4G internet service is back in Jammu and Kashmir region. So in this session we are going to discuss about why this 4G internet service which has been reintroduced in the Jammu and Kashmir region is important, and how this 4G internet suspension was getting worse by day and was impacting the JNK region, and what are the needs that has been forced the government of India to ban the 4G internet service in the region. So we are going to discuss different angles of this topic. So let's start this session. Before starting this session, I would like to say you can join us through the Telegram channel and the Facebook channel, whose link is being given in the description box. So recently, if you know that in 2020, when the government of India announced that the JNK special status, which was being provided through the Article 370, will be abrogated, and after which massive protest started not only in JNK region but also these militants which came through the proxy channel, which was been given by the Pakistani Rangers. They entered the JNK region and they started shouting, and they started their movement of violence around the region, which forced the government of India to ban the internet services. Although the major aim, I would say, the of government of India was not only to ban the internet but to normalize the situation which was prevailing at the time. So due to all these things, what happens that in the August 14, around August 5, I would say, the internet services were crippled down and they were shut down in the JNK region. So after the suspension at around on 25th of January 2020, 2G services started in the JNK region, but these 2G services were not helping the people of the JNK region, and that was a massive impact on the economy of the JNK region. And because of that, different scenarios and different sectors of the JNK region got impacted and almost crippled down, and there was a wide shutdown in the area. And because of that, there was a huge protest among the different parts of our India, because we all wanted that JNK region should have the proper internet connection, because we cannot bifurcate or we cannot divide the because we want, if government of India want to improve the security apparatus, then there should not be a ban on the internet of the people who is residing in the JNK region. So if we see the why government needed to shut down the internet in JNK region, because first of all, I would say there was a national security problems in prevailing in the region. Because I have said also that with the help of high speed internet, what happens is that many times these militants and the terrorist outfits which is operating in this region, they fuel the rumor, and this fake news start exploding on the social media. And because of that, what happens is that massive violence can come across, and these people start shouting and protesting, and because of that, different operational challenges were happening for the security forces. So these are the major reasons because government of India suspended the internet services in the valley region. And apart from this, to stop the violence, because these some people of JNK region were helping the militants organization and these outfits. So what happens is that they will start pelting the stones. So to stop the pelting of stones, government of India come up with the plan of to stop the internet services, so that these people should not have a communication to how, where they have to reach, and how the violence has to be incorporated to overthrow the different operations of the operation of the government of India forces. Apart from this, to stop the militant group gathering, like I have said earlier, that these terrorists, what they used to hide around to make the people shield, and they hide behind them, and they carry out the operations to whether to blast IED and to kill the our security forces. So to stop all these things, and the kind of surcharging moment which was there after the bifurcation of the JNK region and the abrogation of Article 370, government of India has left with no option but to shut down the internet. But what happens is that there was a huge impact on the economy of the India to health condition of the JNK. So all those things has impacted the JNK specifically. So what are the all those problems? First of all, it impacted the economy due to the internet shutdown. What happens is that now every business is connected with the internet. One people is relying upon different people to have a business communication. Now due to this shutdown, business got crippled and almost got sucked out of the economy, and it got crippled in such a way that JNK region will take almost around 1.5 years to is revived from the this abrogation of Article 370. Then apart from this, if you know that Supreme Court has said that human right, or I would say right to internet is a fundamental right, and anyone cannot take away this right. So Supreme Court in its judgment has already said, but government of India has banned the this art this ban the internet in this region. So these are the things that we have to talk about, and these are the things that Supreme Court has to mention, that every now and then government of India cannot ban the internet. Apart from this, I would say the psychological reason was massive, because somehow one people or different people are interlinked with the internet, and one fine day you realize that internet is shut down. So what these all these things has created the kind of psychological and this and kind of negative impact in our JNK people residing there. Then there was a huge impact on health, there was impact on education, media, so you name it. So impact, now you can see that the kind of internet penetration is very important for every segment of our sectors of our economy. And these things, if government of India every time and again they will try to snatch away the internet penetration or internet connection, then there will be a huge kind of impact that it will create. So I really hope that you guys have understood this topic. So thank you as always for joining.